This is a very simple tutorial on how to install the jack table legs. Simply install the leg over the Festool domino tenons. Using the Allen key, tighten. Prior to fitting the leg, remove the tape. You may be required to back off the set screw using the supplied Allen key. This is prior to fitting the leg. Check to make sure that the jack table leg is tight by giving it a light shake. If it needs to, tighten the Allen key a little bit more. Now it's time to turn the jack table over. Slide the table over to one side. Make sure that there is a pad underneath one side of the table down the edge so that you can get your fingers under the table.
You notice we have one edge lifted up a little bit higher so that we can get our fingers underneath.
Notice that we do have a blanket underneath the table to avoid scratches. Go ahead and turn the table onto its side.
Now, one side at a time, we walk back over.
The next step is to turn the table over. It is important not to put pressure on the ground-facing legs. You must lift up and turn the table over before placing down.
I'm kind of like, you can grab like here, get it up, and then yeah.
You are now done the assembly of the jack table and ready to enjoy.